Hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Prasad Gadkari and I am bringing you one nice product. It's called as Orchem Teaching Aid. It is a chemistry teaching aid which you can use for your child to make him or her interested in chemistry. This is a kit in which there are various molecules in the plastic form with various valencies. You can create different chemical molecules out of this. Now this is a carbon atom and this is also a carbon atom. Now what is the difference in this? This is an sp3 hybridized carbon molecule and this is a normal one. So in spite of the fact that I am a chemical engineer, I was not aware that there are different types of molecules present. So this thing helps you in understanding, or your child in understanding how to make a chemical molecule out of it. Now this is carbon and this is hydrogen. So this is one hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen and fourth hydrogen. This becomes a methane, M-E-T-H-A-N-E, methane, which is a piped natural gas that is available to you in your kitchen. If you replace it with a green one, this is chlorine, 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 another chlorine, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. See how easy it is for a child to understand the chemistry. Now this is sulfur, this is this, this is that. Now once you understand, then the child can create. Now this is methane, let us put a connector in it. And once you put a connector, then you can attach two carbon molecules. Once you attach two carbon molecules, this becomes ethane, E-T-H-A-N-E. So your child can create methane, ethane, propane, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, all these things. Now coming to the main point, this kit costs 1000 rupees. Yes, it is such a small kit and it still costs 1000 rupees. Yes, the point is, your child will be using it from 8th standard till 12th to understand the chemistry. So the use of this kit is pretty long if he doesn't lose it. Okay, so being a chemical engineer, I know how difficult it was for me to imagine the structure of chemicals while I was studying chemical engineering. At that time, such kit was not available. Everything was done by hand or on the blackboard. So it was very difficult for us. Now such kits are available, and if you can make it available for your child, I would urge rather use it. Make your child interested in chemistry by allowing him to play with the molecules. And who knows, he may develop a career in chemistry. Thank you.